here with me today. I'm filming a TikTok of me getting ready, and I'm gonna get my toes and nails done. So she wants to be with me, so we're gonna make a TikTok and kind of film a video a little bit. So yeah, because I'm doing my base right now, and oh wait, I did like my skin prep. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'll probably come back on here when I have almost all my makeup done, because doing this in my dog right now, she's like, so I'll be right back, please. Okay, boo, so I decided to do my makeup. I haven't done my lip combo, and I'm trying to take out the tangles out of, well, the knot actually out of my necklace. I hate when my necklaces do this, and it's taking forever. Wait, I think I got it. Oh wait, no I don't. Yes, I got it. So I'm just gonna wear my name necklace because I haven't worn this one in a while. The next day, it's November 22nd. If y'all can see. There you go. Oh. So when I was last on here, I was on here yesterday, I think. I don't know. So I got my nails done. I was in a rush, so I didn't get to film when I came back home. But these are my nails. I did my nails. I did like a pretty nudie pink, you know. I want something natural. I'm very like plain with my nails. I don't like to do like so much. I just like very simple, so I can move everything. And I did my toes. I did like a forest green coat, and it's really pretty. And I'm sorry if you hear like my little heater is going on because it's freezing outside and inside my house. So me and my Larry have to keep very warm. So that's why I have it on. If you can hear me, if not, I'm sorry. And I'm watching some Netflix, and I'm just chilling in my room. Later I'll leave doing some errands, probably some birthday shopping and stuff like that. So yeah, I just want to come on here and catch y'all up. And look what I got a few days ago, because your girl is a licensed cosmetologist. So okay, girl, let's sit down and talk for a little bit. Let me fix y'all. Oh, let me fix y'all. Okay. So your girl took her written. She passed it. She took her practical 2 weeks ago, I believe, and I passed it too. So I'm officially licensed. I'm gonna start looking for a place to work at to do like some lashing, maybe some waxing, because that's what I'm really into, like all that stuff. I love waxing. I like lashes, the brows, makeup, you know, all that. I love the goodies. And I finally got that out of the way. I'm so excited that I'm licensed so I can do the stuff I love to do and make people happy and look so beautiful. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on my main page yet, I just started one. I'm gonna start posting on there pretty soon, maybe, and I'll leave it linked down below. And don't forget to follow my main page also, because I'm always on there and stuff like that. So I am really chilling. I did my makeup today. I hate how my lashes, sometimes I put them on and they look different from the other side. Like, okay, I turn my eyes. And these lashes are Dollar Tree lashes. I need to get some for my birthday. I don't know if I'll wear these or get different ones. But yeah, and I did like a pink wing, something cute and simple. I just did my base. Probably later tonight maybe, or tomorrow, I'll probably do like a waxing my lip, because you're going to do her lip. Probably my arms. I gotta wax my arms again, and maybe my eyebrows. And I did my legs like a few days ago. I think like 2 days ago, 3 days ago I did my legs. And I want to show y'all real quick that I got in the mail. I haven't been showing packages I've been in the mail lately from like brands and stuff like that. I've just been super busy this month. These past few months have been like really crazy and busy because I've been like trying to work for my license. So I was trying to get that done and a lot of other stuff. So I'm gonna get to show y'all some items I got in the mail from the brand. So Shapermint had sent me some shapewear. So they sent me this all day, everyday scoop neck bodysuit. Ooh, we love bodysuits. I love bodysuits. So they sent me this white one. Oh, yes, ma'am. Look at that. So you can see, that's what it looks like. This would be super cute with some jeans on, maybe like a black blazer or like a leather jacket, or you can wear this with leggings and some Ugg boots. You know how like everything's trending right now on TikTok. This is super cute, and I think it's a size medium. And it's an all day, everyday scoop neck bodysuit. And it has like the sizing right here. It says it's a 360 tummy control, can be worn with or without a bra. That's like good if you prefer like to wear a bra or not. Adjustable straps for extra lift or comfort. I love adjustable straps because sometimes some tops will be like very tight or be loose and they'll come down. I don't like that. And I like to adjust for like my fitting. So this is really, really nice of them. I probably need to do like a Instagram video, maybe like a how to style this, how to wear it and stuff like that. And these are really, really comfortable because I have some tank tops by them and I'll wear them like with jeans and with leggings also, and they're really, really comfortable and it like sucks everything in, you know. We love that. So thank you to Shaper Men for sending me the bodysuit. I love that. And next they sent me the Empower. Oh my god, girls like lost train of thought and stuff like that. I'm drinking sweet tea. But Shaper Men sent me the Empower Mesh Shaper shorts. So they sent me some Shaper shorts. Okay. So these are the Empower Mesh Shaper shorts. Same thing right here, the sizing, and laser cutout leg opening and bonded waistband for a seamless look. Cotton liner for 24/7 wear. Lightweight power mesh fabric for breathability. And size medium. So it has like some type of rubber so it won't like fall off. You can see some rubber. And it looks super cute. This is the front. I'll show y'all. The front and the back. Super cute. So thank you to Shaper Men for gifting me these items. I'm going to put these to great use. You know how winter's coming up and come up with some winter outfit ideas. So chilling, waxing, getting some party decor. I ordered my dress in, but it won't come till Saturday, and my birthday's on Thanksgiving. So I probably won't like do anything really on my birthday. So probably Saturday the 26th, I'll probably throw a party and show like some pictures and stuff like that. Yeah, so right now, Miley's locked out of my bed. I don't know if y'all see my bed for fall, but that's what it looks like. There she is. She's right there. Wait, right there. She's so cute. So yeah, I've been cleaning my room the past week and just getting ready for the winter and stuff like that. Let me show y'all the roses that my boyfriend got me, but they're probably a little dying because I got this like last week. But those are the roses. He surprised me with the roses. Super, super cute. And I started putting out a little bit of some Christmas decor. So I already got out some Christmas decor. And this is the perfect Christmas, and it smells like Christmas trees. So look, I already lit it. Oh my god, don't mind that, but it smells so good. Smell it. I love the way this smells. I love the Christmas vibe. And I put that right there. And then I have my little Christmas tree. It's a little snow globe that lights up. Oh shoot, I can't do this. Got it. So it lights up. How cute! Isn't that so pretty? So yeah, little by little, I'll be putting out stuff for Christmas. I have some goodies that I got in the mail that I'm supposed to do for a brand. So when I put my tree up, you're going to see some cute things on my tree. I'll give y'all a little hint, but yeah. That's it. Sorry to interrupt. My friend was FaceTiming me, so yeah. I don't know what I was talking about, honestly. I forgot. Oh my god. I'm on TikTok right now. If you haven't followed me on TikTok, definitely follow me. I do makeup tutorials on there. And cute little videos. Like this one's me. Yeah, because that's all that's been going on in my life lately. It's almost my birthday. Your girl's gonna be 21. I can't believe that. I started doing YouTube when I was 17, going to be 18 years old, and now I'm going to be 21. Crazy, I know. Let me show you my little OOTD. Just to show you what I'm wearing right now. So I'm wearing this MTV shirt that I got from Target. It's in the men's section. I love this shirt. It's so comfortable. I love sleeping in shirts like this and stuff like that. And then these pants are from Old Navy from like last year or 2 years ago. And I'm wearing Halloween pussy socks, so don't mind that. So yeah, but I'll catch up later, whatever I'm doing. So I have more content for y'all to see. Oh, that's what I was telling y'all about. That just came from. I was taking a bubble bath yesterday. And I had candles and stuff like that for quite a while, relaxing, watching YouTube, you know, self-care before my birthday. So yeah, it was, I don't know where I left off. Honestly, it's December 1st, and I'm gonna be showing y'all a little bit of my room and kind of cleaning it because it's a little dirty, but it's December 1st. Happy holidays, booze! And I want to show y'all my makeup I did today. I don't know if y'all can see the viewfinder. I look fine. Okay, yeah. I did something really simple and natural, you know, but I'm gonna show you a little lip combo that I've been loving recently. So I just honestly did my hair with leggings I saw on TikTok, and I wanted to try it out like last night, and I tried it, and I did a TikTok video, and this is how my hair went. Let me scoot back for y'all, and y'all can see. It looks cute. I tried going like up and down to get my hair more volume, but my hair for some reason is not like. Whoa. Okay, maybe I need to redo it. There we go. Yeah, so the more I do it, the more it looks like this. So I'm really loving the leggings heatless curl idea, and it kind of helps me because, you know, I look really funny at night, but my hair is already done and stuff like that, and that's what I love. And it looks really, really cute and natural looking, like the way I kind of curl my hair, so I love it. So I'm gonna show y'all my little lip combo. I'm sorry if the lighting is not cute. I'm looking at the viewfinder and it's like, no. So I'm gonna put some lip balm on my lips. Really cute lip balm my boyfriend got me. It's from the Bahamas. So my favorite lip balm of all time is my Aquaphor. If you haven't gotten Aquaphor, you definitely need to get Aquaphor because it's like the best. So I use this one. I like the one that has a little tube. Whoa. And I only use a little bit. And I move it all over my lips. Everybody just keeps texting me today. I'm like, what? I'm trying to film a video, get ready, and make TikToks. So, I've been popular lately. It's this little lip pump that you go like this and then you go like this at the bottom. I got this for my birthday, and I've been loving this one. It's the shade Cherry Blossom, and it's a lip pump. And I have another one, but I got this one, and it's in the shade Orchid. Really, really pretty. And it's something cute. Like, I love it because you can easily just put it on and gives you a nice gloss with the tint in it. Very moisturizing. So I'm trying to find my pink lip liner. Some type of pink lip liner to give me like a natural look. And then I'll go in with my lip plumper. And Cherry Blossoms, my favorite color. It's like a baby pink. And I just push it up a little bit and all of my lips, and it gives you a light sting. Well, for me it doesn't sting that bad, but that's what it looks like with the lip liner. And this lip liner I did use, where did I put it? Oh, here. It's by NYX, and it's nude pink. I want to get peekaboo neutral. I heard that one's really pretty, so I use this combo for today. Just very cute and girly. So my lip combo for today, and I keep everything in here. And if you want another purse, what's my purse video, I definitely can, because I love purse videos, and like, why not? Because they're so cute and like fun to know what girls have in their bags, honestly. So yeah, booze, definitely let me know in the comments or on Instagram if you want to do a purse video, because I really like those. So I'm gonna clean up my room and give you a little room tour, because I did my room for Christmas this year, and it's really, really cute, and I really want to show y'all. Okay, booze, so this is gonna be my OOTD for the next few minutes you see me, because I won't be leaving till like later on, so I'll change it later. But this is my outfit. This is my Christmas shirt. my Christmas PJs, and then my cute pink slippers I got for my birthday. But yeah, it was an amazing birthday. I'll probably add some clips in a little bit, but I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit and show y'all like a little cleanup and then a little room tour so y'all can see the Christmas vibe, good vibes and stuff like that. So let's clean up a little bit. So I'm trying to put y'all somewhere y'all can see me. So I use this to do the curls in my hair. This is like leggings that I didn't want anymore, and I just use this, and it actually works. So I'm gonna just keep it, and just use it just for my curls on my hair. This is what it looks like in the back. Let's see if you can you see. I don't know. It was my first time trying it, but it looks really cute. My hair is still has curls in it, so I'm fine by that. So let's get into cleaning.